Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. Just wanted to talk today about this Aquaglide Crux paddle. Now I did accidentally get sent two right hand sides, but Paddle Outlet were really good to me, offered me a deal I couldn't really refuse, and so I've kept the paddle as it is. But it's supposed to be a 4-piece paddle when it's actually 5. I have added my own version of drip rings on here, which are a bit of a pool noodle hack. Done a video on this if you're interested. I find this more effective than the drip rings alone for stopping paddle splash into the boat. But let me just show you the paddle and how easy it is to assemble. The bigger piece, that's the mid piece. Everything just clicks into place so nicely. It's just really well engineered. Now this is a 240 centimetre paddle. 240 centimetre. The reason I said handle is because I was just thinking there is a hand index on here that helps you just guide your hand when you're in the paddling position, so you've got a good place to put it. I do generally have it feathered. Weighs about just over 1 kilo, so it's fiberglass, reinforced blades, and I've used this on quite a few portable adventures now. I really like it. Good paddle. So if you're looking for a relatively lightweight, collapsible paddle, the Aquaglide Crux might be one to consider. I'll put a link in the comments and descriptions and you can check it out for yourself. Just a short video, just wanted to let you know my thoughts on this thing. Alright, thanks for watching. You know what to do about liking, subscribing, blah blah blah. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.